Heavy, contact New York, departure today. With departure on Foster, switch to stop. Aeromexico 409 Heavy, runway 13 right, cleared for takeoff. Runway 13 right, cleared for takeoff. 181, heavy, constantly turbulence, runway 13 right, line up and wait. Line up and wait. Aeromexico 409 Heavy, contact New York, departure, have a good day. To departure, Aeromexico 409 Heavy, good day. Delta 182 Heavy, wind 170 at 11. Constantly coming, so departed Heavy 1787, runway 13 right, cleared for takeoff. 13 right. Air China Flight 1078 Heavy, Kennedy Tower, constantly turbulent. Air China Flight 1078 Heavy, wind 180 at 9er, constantly turbulence, runway 13 right, cleared for takeoff. 13 right, clear for takeoff, Air China Flight 1078. Connie 806 Heavy, Kennedy Tower, constantly turbulence, runway 13 right, line up and wait. Line up and wait, 13 right, Connie 806. Tower's up 600 Foxtrot. As you approach Kennedy, fly around the chevrons and report landing ashore. Around the chevrons, reporting landing ashore, 69 Fox. Air China Flight 1078 Heavy, contact New York, departure today. Departure for day, Air China Flight 1078. Connie 806 Heavy, wind 1809, runway 13 right, cleared for takeoff. Just takeoff 13 right, Connie 806 Heavy. Native 6 Heavy, right turn into 185, contact near departure. See you later. Alright, 299, Papa Lima, Kennedy Tower, Bush, Wake Up, runway 13 right, line of wave. American Flight 246, turn right Delta Bravo, taxi right Bravo to the left, Mars Alpha 9. Bravo, Bravo, 0.9 to the ramp, perfect. Kennedy, good day, number 688 Heavy, with you 13 now. Number 688 Heavy, K Tower, number 3, wind 1709er, runway 12 left, clear to land. Land 13 left, number 688. Car 93, Kennedy Tower, at Foxtrot. Straight 261 Golf Heavy to right, Juliet, hold short, 2 to right, contact ground 1449. Juliet, hold short, 2 to right, and 119 at Juliet, 261 Golf. Delta 688 Heavy, K30 check. Say again? You checking? We did, number 688 Heavy, you cleared this line, 13 left. 688 Heavy, runway 12 left to line, 18011. You got it, thanks. 1902 to right, Delta Bravo, take gate number. 1902 to right, Zulu Alpha, taxi ahead, Echo to the ramp, monitor ground for 9. Car 93. Car 93. The biggest bike stop is coming up on a 6-mile follow. How much more do you need? I'm almost done. I'll be out of your way in a few seconds. Alright, you're right, sir. Car 93 is clear. To your left, thank you. Car 93, right, sir. 688 Heavy to right, Delta Bravo, taxi left on Alpha to the ramp, monitor ground for 9. Delta Bravo, Alpha, up to the ramp, down by 9, Delta 688 Heavy. Seven 4706, speed 109. 74706. River 15 Kilo Heavy to right, Juliet, hold short runway 2 to right, contact ground 1.9er. Juliet, hold short 2 to right, ground 1.9er, please, at 1.9, today. 1 to 1.9, so 1 to 1.9 today. Okay, 41 be advised, numerous stars in the vicinity of the down from 5 to 1,500 feet. Up down, that's happening, Governor Design, report 1. Delta 680 heavy, turn right heading 185, contact near departure. Heading 185, and we see departure, Delta 680 heavy. I can bring any entire caution, wake up, on street departure, heavy going to 767. Run on 13 miles, not a boy. Chopper 86, alright, Zulu Alpha, say gate number 1. Zulu Alpha, gate 2, sorry, say gate number 5. Gate 2, Chopper 86, taxi Echo and Bravo to that, mark up and off. Echo Bravo, alright, we'll monitor. 31 heavy, turn right Juliet, hold short of Yankee, contact ground 1.9. Juliet, hold short of Yankee and 119, bye-bye Turkish 1. Delta 1822, K-Tower number 3 with 17010, runway 13 left to the left. Delta 1822. So last 5 seconds. Let's have to 27 Echo Echo, carry sound, contact the town 123. Heavy, turn right Echo, turn right Yankee Alpha, going Bravo to the left, log up when I take it. Zero 2273 heavy, turn right Juliet, hold short runway 2 right, contact ground, control 121.9, take care. Thanks, right Juliet, hold short 2 right, ground point 9, 027, cheers. Chopper 301, KSR, good afternoon, wind 1708, maintain maximum forward speed for as long as practical, runway 13 left to the left. Kennedy Tower, course wing turbulence, 13 right, line up await. 3 right, line up and wait, turbulence is 63. 250 heavy heading to 170, contact course, go level. 170 west of 0 on the right. I've got a fast shot, somewhere up there, runway 13 right, let's take off. And then 13 right, let's put the speed down left is 101. So 321, 1709, runway 13 right, let's take off. Clear off to the 13 right, 321. Line for 1432, heavy Kennedy Tower, 13 right, line up await. Push 1432, and up await to 13 right. Give our last is 101, so right heading 185, contact near departure. Airport 1432, become right heading 155, contact near departure. 1422 is reaching New York departure, ciao. After 015 heavy Kennedy Tower, portion wing temple, supporting heavy Boeing 777, runway 13 right, line up await. Running up and wait to right there. 3334 heavy, contact New York departure. Autopilot American 330 west. FN 6 going to be heading 155, contact near departure. Yeah, departure on 8155. Hold on, bye. Helicopter number 6 on top of the roof of She's on a contact Dallas for 0325. Contact departure. 155. Heading 155, contact near departure. Off of Fort 11 Heavy, open 155 and putting hard away. Okay, I'm 642 with 150, only one direct to take off. Be advised to be in position for more than 90 seconds for inbound traffic. 647 heading 155, contact near departure. 655. Jfk has been changed to Charlie, altimeter 2998. That's 1957 K Tower, 15010, runway 13 left, clear to land. Delta 9970 Heavy, turn right on Zulu Alpha, at Echo Alpha, join Alpha to ramp behind the JetBlue tug. Alright, at Echo Alpha, join Alpha behind the JetBlue tug, Delta 9970. For 24 Heavy, turn right Juliet, hold short of Yankees, contact ground 1-1.9. Right, Juliet, hold short Yankee 1.9. 1-1.9. Something with me, right. Delta 150, K Tower, wind 1509er, runway 13 left, clear to land. Triple 419, runway 13 right, clip takeoff. Clip takeoff, 13 right, clip 419. 44 beginning down, 13 right, line of police. Fast 60 right turn in 155, contact near departure. Okay. Yeah, Tower. I want to confirm, we had a wrong call flight when you said 44 Yeah, American 44, 44 Heavy, 13 right, line of police. Come on. Delta 560, contact departure. And fire ground for 9, take care. Echo Alpha, Alpha to the ramp, and monitor point 9, Delta 525. So 1417 Kenny Tower, runway 13 left, good line. Aero 610 Heavy, exit right Juliet, hold short of Yankee, on a second radio, give the ramp a call, find out your gate number, that's available, please. Juliet, hold short of Yankee. Juliet, hold short of Yankee. Delta 1957, taxi via Echo Alpha and Alpha to the ramp, on the ground point 9 or so. Echo Alpha, Alpha to the ramp, on the ground open.
beginning south, clear across Bravo, Smith has requested customer surveillance outside overhead, report on station.
Cleared in, caution awake, report on station. Delta 1833, runway 13 left to the land, and no, maintain the sign airspeed as well as told. Okay, understood. Third land 13 left. Delta 315 heavy, taxi via Echo at Foxtrot, join Alpha to the ramp, on ground point 9 is all. Echo to Foxtrot, join Alpha to the ramp, Delta 315 heavy, thanks. Take out 4658, Kenny Tower, runway 13 left to the line. Airframe 010 heavy, exit right Juliet, hold short of Yankee on a second radio, contact the ramp, find out your gate number if it's available, please. Thank you, Juliet, hold short Yankee on contact ramp F1010 for the gate. Delta 41, Kenny Tower, runway 13 left to the line. Talking 1908 Whiskey, Candy Tower, runway 13 left to the line. And confirm that was for 08 Whiskey, runway 13 left to the line. Sorry, 1908 Whiskey, clear to land, 13 left. Thank you. Circa 5666, exit right south of Bravo, taxi left Alpha to the ramp. Traffic mile 5 on ground point 9 is all. So left out.
28 Heavy, heading 155, contact me on departure.
155, no departure, Delta.
Level 1918, 11609, runway 13 right, clear for takeoff. And there 5405, Kennedy Tower, runway 13 right, line up and wait.
Kennedy, Chopper 2, we are complete here. I'd like to take it direct to Linden and up to Newark, please.
Chopper 2, roger, I have your request.
Yes.
On 127.85. Thank you, have a good night. 5405, heading 185, contact near departure.
185 departure, every day.
Yep. Action 198 Heavy, wind currently 170 at 9, runway 13 right, clear for takeoff.
Takeoff 13 right, American 190.
Use caution, there is a Virgin currently on Quebec, so use caution to now verify him. Clear and class Bravo as requested. Maintain 500, at or below 500 feet for now.
As requested, exactly in navigate 1, free wide, and alter of flight between 7 Echo Echo.
And November 7 Echo Echo, if you'd like the next inbounds on the 12-mile final, if you'd like to proceed direct to the city, that's approved. Just give me a good rate.
Okay, good call,
Sir, just give me a good rate to do the ticket.
As fast as I can, 7 Echo Echo.
Thank you, 198, 155, contact me in departure.
Well, now, that's
27 Echo Echo, radio service serving squad V5, exchange approved. Multiple targets in the vicinity of Governor's Island.
Please come with target for the South African change, 7 Echo Echo, thank you.
No problem. To Kennedy Tower radar contact showing you at 400 feet. Kennedy altimeter is 29908. Say request. Class Bravo as requested. Use caution now. Delta Bravo, taxi left Alpha to the ramp, monitor ground point 9 or so. Welcome to Motor Ground, 13, bye-bye. Last 30 inbound for the RMC 13 left. 30 Kenny Tower, runway 13 left to the line. 13 left to the line, last, so 30. We got 2114 Heavy, Katy Tower, runway 13 left to the line. MS4 Pop Victor Super, exit right on Zulu, hold short, runway 31 left. Right Zulu, it's 31 left, I'm right, 4 Papa Victor.
Tower, 615. Nav, just left.
Endeavor 4635, turn right Delta Bravo, taxi left Alpha to the ramp and monitor ground point 9er, so on. I got the double left Alpha to the ramp. MS4 Pop Victor Super, traffic holds in position on runway 13 right, cross runway 31 left, and stay on Zulu to 350. Stop on the 200 left, has heavy Airbus 330, about a mile final, runway 22 left to the line. I said 615, runway 22 left to the line.
Good time, I 615.
Tower Emirates for Papa for about 15 minutes to deliver the drop to expect Golf X-ray. Emirates 4 Pop Victor Super, roger, continue on Zulu and hold short runway 22 right at Golf. Cutting in Zulu, hold short runway 22 right on Golf, Emirates 4 Papa Victor. 654 Golf. Golf 654, Kenny Tower, course right there, on a heavy MD-11. About 5 miles ahead, runway 13 left to the line. 13 left, Delta 654. And 654 advised that heavy MD-11, 12 o'clock, 1,600 feet inside. Inside, Delta 654. Delta 654, thank you, maintain for separation, not traffic. We'll do that. Alaska 30, if able, exit right Delta Bravo, taxi right Bravo to the ramp and monitor ground point 9er, so on. Alright, Delta Bravo, Bravo to the ramp and monitors making 1.9 left, 30. Iberia 6253 Heavy on Juliet, cross runway 22 right, taxi straight Alpha to the ramp, monitor ground point 9er, so on. On Juliet, cross 22 right and taxi by Alpha, monitor tower 1 to 1.9, area 6253. Tower, good evening, it's gain up 642
643 Heavy, we're established on the X-ray RNAV 22 left approach.
KLM 643 Heavy, Kennedy Tower, runway 22 left to the line.
Good land, 22 left, KLM 643 Heavy. JetBlue 2102, RMP 13 left.
JetBlue 2102, Kennedy Tower, runway 13 left to the line.
13 left to the line.
UPS 2114 Heavy, exit right here, turn right Yankee Alpha, straight Bravo to the ramp, and monitor ground point 9 or so.
Zulu Alpha Yankee Alpha Bravo to the ramp, monitor ground UPS 2114.
I said 615, exit here, hotel, cross runway 22 right, taxi right Bravo, remain this frequency.
Hotel, cross 22 right, Bravo, remain frequency after 615.
Hello, Cleveland 3 Kilo, established the RNAV X-ray 67.
033 Kilo Heavy, Kennedy Tower, cross runway turn on a Heavy 787, 6 miles ahead, runway 22 left to the line.
22 left, clear land, 033 Kilo Heavy.
JetBlue 2030, Kennedy Tower, runway 13 left to the line. Delta 654, exit right Delta Bravo, taxi left Alpha to the ramp, and monitor ground point 9 or so. KLM 643 Heavy, exit here Juliet, hold short of Yankee, give the ramp a call on a second radio, find out your gate number and if it's available, please.
Gate number Bravo 22, I'll check that 5 Juliet, hold short Yankee KLM 643 Heavy on point 9, I think.
And KLM 643 Heavy, just let me know on this frequency when you get the words on the ramp.
I'll do it first, thank you, KLM 643 Heavy. And tower from ISIS 615, we're going to Terminal 7, Gate 2, it's open.
ISIS 615, thank you, you can continue on Bravo this frequency.
I will stay with 650. The tower JetBlue 210 is RNM arm 13 left, 830 for us.
JetBlue 210, Kennedy Tower, copy, runway 13 left to the line.
Land 13 left, JetBlue 210. Okay, so good day, Destroy Rock 200 November Heavy, establishing RNAV 637.
Rock 200 November Heavy, Kennedy Tower, caution wing turbo, so you can reduce to the final approach speed, you're following Heavy 777, 4 miles ahead, runway 22 left to the line. And KLM 643 Heavy at Juliet, cross runway 22 right, straight ahead Alpha to the ramp, monitor ground point 9 or so.
Juliet, clear to cross 22 right, Alpha to the ramp and point 9 and out, KLM 643 Heavy, thank you. 1664, large flock of birds about half mile to the left of the approach course.
Thank you. All aircraft use caution for 13 left. Birds reported left of course, approximately half mile to mile final.
LCS 3650, 6 miles southbound, 921 left.
So 3650, Kennedy Tower, only 13 left to the land. Use caution, birds reported left of approach at about a mile and a half mile final. Up to the birds, 13 left, clear to land, south 30.
Sorry, update on birds. They're south of work there now, about 1400.
South, copy that. 2033 Kilo Heavy, exit right Juliet, cross runway 22 right, straight Alpha to the ramp, on the ground point 9 or fall.
Okay, Juliet, cross 22 right, Alpha, to the ramp. Keep that 33 Kilo.
Level 350, Katy Tower, runway 13 left, to the land. Delta 1664, exit Zulu Alpha, taxi via Echo at Echo Alpha, showing Alpha to the ramp, on the ground point 9 or fall.
Zulu Alpha.